Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable voice scan on Snapchat.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Please log into your Snapchat account if you have not already. After that, tap on your profile icon. Now, select the gear button. After that, scroll until you can see the voice scan option. Now, toggle on the button. And that's it. This is how you can enable voice scan on your Snapchat app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.